In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a Baseus Bluetooth earphones. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so this guide works for most models, including the Baseus Ncock, WMO1, W04 Pro, Bowie E9M2 S1 DO2 Pro and more. Alright, so for the first step we need to charge the earphone. So place the earbuds in the charging case and plug it in using the provided USB cable. Then wait until the LED indicators show that they're charged. It's usually a solid or blinking lights. Alright, step 2 is power on and enter pairing mode. So for true wireless earbuds, take both earbuds out of the charging case. They will turn on automatically and pair with each other. The main earbud, usually the right one, will enter pairing mode. You'll see flashing red, blue, white or green lights depending on the model. Step 3, enable Bluetooth on your device. So if you're using a mobile or laptop, PC, go to settings, Bluetooth, and then turn Bluetooth on. Then wait for your device to scan for available Bluetooth devices. Step 4, select the Baseus earphones. So tap on the device name shown. Some examples can be Baseus, WMO1, etc, etc. Tap to pair. You may hear a prompt like connected or see the LED stop blinking. Step 5, reconnect automatically. So once you're paired, the earbuds will auto connect the next time you take them out as long as Bluetooth is enabled on your device.